Hello and welcome to the screencast for assignment 1 of Cloud System. I developed a web application which consists of a visualization of the latest release data on COVID-19. I deployed it using the features available on Google's cloud platform, where the data has been imported from a data repository by Johns Hopkins University, which can be found on Git. This is, for example, the raw CSV data, and there is a CSV file for each day. The application feeds the data from a MySQL database in a Hive metastore on the Cloud SQL, and displays it using interactive visualizations with Google Charts. You can see here the Hive metastore, and there are MySQL queries running on it. I can spin up a Cloud Shell to quickly show the tables available. So there is a database called COVID-19, and there is only one table in it, and I can run it to display the data in it. The web application has been developed using .NET Core, and it's developed on Google's App Engine. App Engine is a platform as a service which allows to upload the code, and basically all the infrastructure is handled by Google Cloud's platform. From the App Engine we can see the different versions, and from the latest serving version we can go directly to our live URL. So if we just go to the actual application, the application, as I said, is developed on .NET Core. I'm using Bootstrap to make it web responsive, and Google Charts for the different visualizations. On the left hand side we can see the data, or the latest available data, with the latest confirmed cases, active death and recovered. Then we have a table where we can see the figures for each country based on, again, the latest loaded data. The data is made available nightly by Johns Hopkins University. Then we have on the right hand side a filter at the top that allows us to select a particular date. So if we stay on today's date, on the pie chart we can see the comparison between the confirmed and deaths per country. So if I hover over Spain, I can see that current displays the number of deaths and the percentage respective to the overall total. So Spain would have, as of last night, 18% of the overall worldwide deaths and 10% or 10.9% of the confirmed cases. And so the outside displays the confirmed cases and the inside displays the deaths. Then on the right hand side we have the list of countries and stacked column chart showing the recovered deaths and active cases per country. At the bottom we can see for each of the countries the daily evolution of the confirmed cases. At the top we have the filter, so it allows us to filter by date as I did previously. Also, because of the amount of countries with data available, I added a filter that allows us to only narrow down the list to those countries that have more than 4,000 confirmed cases, for example. This data is based on the combination of both filters, so if I want to see the most recent data, I can see the data for those. I can show only 10,000 for example, or I can show those exceeding 40,000 cases. And the same happens for the line chart below. Additionally, I can select a particular date and choose to display the data related to just one country, and both the column chart and the line charts will be updated with the data for that particular country. So if I select China, I will see the data related to China on the column chart, and also the daily progression from when the data is available. The data is only available from the 1st of March in this case, and the same happens with any other country. Last, as I said, is web responsive, so I can show it based on how it would look like on a Pixel 2 phone, where I can still see my table, the cases at the top, and at the bottom I see the different charts. If I select anything to narrow down the data, the charts are updated, and also if I select a particular country, the charts again are updated to only show what's relevant to that country. That is all. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.